Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. First, I want to say sorry for last month. I had some personal stuff to deal with and that's why I didn't post any new videos. However, this month I have something really simple and really tasty for you to make. You know those coleslaw you see at the market? You don't need to pay that much for them. I'm going to show you the simple and cheaper way to make them at home. So this month I'm going to show you how to make the red cabbage slaw. With that said, let's go. Here's what you need. You can use any vinegar you'd like. I used rice wine. Also, you can use 2 tablespoons of maple syrup with 2 tablespoons of Ceylon date syrup, but I didn't have that, so I made do. Start by cutting the cabbage in half. Take out the stem, quarter it, and then thinly slice it. Separate it a bit. In a bowl, add water and 3/4 teaspoon of the salt. To that, add the cabbage. It should soften it up. Make sure all the cabbage is covered and submerged and set aside for 30 minutes. Strain, rinse and pat the cabbage dry and then mix together the mayonnaise, vinegar, maple syrup, Ceylon if you're using it, salt, pepper and the lemon juice. Now add the cabbage to the marinade and mix till fully incorporated. When you're done, place it in the fridge for at least an hour before serving to let the flavor soak in. That's it, it's ready. I thought I was just going to taste and then eat it in a sandwich, but it turned out so good I couldn't resist and ate it as is. Let me know in the comments below if you were also surprised when making and tasting this recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!